lang macho ibo ki feeling manibo
그당 동이보 하얀 맛이 쇼비보
Welcome to Yakrai Nook and with another edition. And so, people, we're here for the interview of SWMAI starrers and also the production manager or the owner of Kathansa. So, non buskanga takute busong ang tabuk tuwi tongo noni star the starrers of SWMAI. They ani logi tongo Kathansa production ni owner ba Kathansa production no tui tongnai sini bukhukjuk no sini bukhukjuk ni bumung nor sikhana phiaba nong ni thani wang tabuk borni introduction no redenai puila no phading kai sung chengina lenai takute bu song. Let us first of all welcome Sharmili on our show. Thank you so much for being here with us at Yakrai Nook. So Kathansa production chengjaka chengjak mani bahai ke chengjaka abono sungno kisisa saikhnardi aboni brief khlai tai Kathansa haike bumung tamni bagai norok narakha
Kathansa production to 2005 after chengjak mani ang a time of college last year no in mano ani graduation ni then ani logi tong mani sini borong menang tabuk to EF Suhel Burma bo hengke co-founder getseng khorong ni no wan sulemani then a time o tabung ka sini miling malang start khai bani boi maximum borok saimani na abo
habani
miling malang je music video album then aboni pore siring suruk botong mani abo hengke to a time o production house of haya phano but sini bising tino thangmani abo afro hengke to CD rongni jamana ba haya ba so a time ni bising start khai mani and bumung oma hakin o zakka Ka means baka, then Tansa hingga to unity. So ang awan na musung mani is like baka Tansa hingga joto na kurung kutum tong lai thun eba abu muno belai ke hamza go that's why abu mung rekha. To tabusuk zora 2005 is up like hingga to 20 years no hin mano 20 years engka amo ham hakin seng zakka.
Wow. Kathansa production ni noni kisi sa background nor crime man khana takute bogusong phading kai sing tini ni sini interview ni main subject to sim thanglai ne sing tini nong ni buskango tubui tongo sini starrers and co-starrers sini SWMAI ni ngai sini buskango tongo sabo nor sikhna hamjak ma. Okay,
Hello.
hamjak ma. All right. Saimi anor busu zorate hamjak no but norok nai nui tongkhana nu khake no hamjak ma ahai no phaifeni tai khorto tong sini yango bini mung ke adung and adung tai hamjak ma borni bisingo busu zorate ke chemistry o SWMAI ni music video ni bisingtino norok nugui manai taute bogusong norno tamo sanai tamo hni khnarnai borni music video bahai ke slamjaka boni history belai ke kolo phiaba taute busong norni buskango tabo kisisa borni sinimung tai borni bahai ke borok o music video phaika aborong tei sing kisisa saimanlaini pharing ke puilano. Let me first of all take you to hamjakma. Can you tell us more about yourself? Nini sakni poro neng singno take kisisa sini mung rekang kai sini audience of no teu sini manai.
Hello everyone. So ang hamjak mariang norok sinia phanami mano. So ang kotabo ko by project kaimani SWMAI obo release ngai January 1st 2024 next year new year so ano to joto no shiniwa ang as a singer si hinay ang bahay nagi chong mania that ang ko acting line of hainai hinai before this hanggang ke ang Jeffro college second year rong kha apro go hangke theater ro khaimani ro hangke buini bunuk kha hangke apro hanggang ke ang kisa acting digi bahay no ani kisa ko interest shurung khata hanggang ke amoni pore
so nung theater ro bo samung khai kya
Hiam tia like ang just mane bunyo rongo nayu hungke ko mane script writing am hero haina kisan wisata mane ang acting no asag ya ma ang kisa ban jong ya ang ani sak no mane just as a singer musician am haike no you know enjoy khayo am haita mane ang discover khayata that ang acting line no go hawi mano hungke ang ko ani seniors no bahai no ko acting ni project rog like assignments mama rog film studies rog ni help ma khaika different expressions rohonan rog ang khaina mo sungye phanisi they were like ko help nangi tongkha nge kisa help khaira di model as a model rog nge am hai rog ke expression rog ruoi help rog ma khai kya hang nge aprona ang realize khai kata that okay ang bahai na maybe mane ko acting digi rog habi mamla ni apra ang chong kha
you look stunning and gorgeous
thank you
so how did you actually discover yourself to get into this music video
so ko bono hanggang ke ang to singing covers rogam hairok se social media rogo buru hangke always about singing music hai da ba but more than singing ang like ko casting directors rogam hairok ko ana contact khayuta like emails rogo mai da ba so ana more than singing acting ni bagi si ko ani oro sok payuta
obvious
hanggang ke ba ang afro chong mani tamu ani oro acting ni mang phai ko gam haita hanggang ke afro ang ko tabu graduate dogang kha hanggang ke afro ang chong inai khata ko am hairok bhain phai tong hanggang ke ko ang direct mane kaisa confidence ma yang tong mani tang acting digi hanggang ke what if I start mane ani own mane state ni jiming no ni am haita hanggang ani bukhawa afro mane ko nai nei khata hangge obviously baino to joto no chini wasang to respected to talented hai da ba hanggang ke ang afro tong sala ma rok ban ang daily abo khnao nok rok khatang khang ke ang baire tong i bhain ang onek kokborok song
afro nang tung nei tung tham lama already thangai dong tung tham lama khnau
am ting to khata mane not just liking the song but mane angaro ese mane to mane director no buza gi to khata bukha ngai hanggang ke pa quality to ba hamam haita mane everything
hai men dong khata na
yeah everything is like so amazing am haita hanggang ke apro ang am haike chong kha hanggang ke ang jefro graduate kha apro hanggang ke ang ko baino pitch khai kata that ang acting ko line of bhaina habu yana musungo and if I get your guidance mane ani jetabu shuruato it will be a very you know great experience for me and ani bagi belai kan enriching nayam haita ko ni ko ang tabuk bai ro phan thangai kam tangka anything so ang tabuk at least kisale experience tong le acting wa am haita hingang kya bani bagai ang ani bagai hingang ke you know to start my acting debut ang chongkha by ni sai better you know guide sableng manai ba chini entire state kya mani bagai ang am haike shuru khai kata
right talking about your educational qualification you said you just finished your graduation or when did you graduate anyways
last year
and what was the field you were in
I did my UG in economics media and political science and now I'm pursuing masters in journalism and mass communication
okay like UG is like upgrade or undergraduate?
Yeah, undergraduate.
I'm just kidding, okay. But
now I'm doing my postgrad, which is PG. Yeah.
Okay. So like PG, like in hostel?
Postgrad.
Okay. So postgraduate, you have done your post-graduation?
Doing masters.
Okay. You're doing your masters in what?
Journalism and mass communication.
You are into my field.
Yeah.
But it's okay. You should have rather gone into music than making more of you know movies. Why did you choose mass communication and journalism? What's the reason behind?
So for me, it's a very intrinsic kind of thing. I feel like I can manage all these because I have also done like 3 subjects, right? Like economics, media, political science, and my mind has been conditioned in a way that I love doing like at least 2-3 things in a same time. Like I love having options.
So you mean you are more into getting assignments?
No, it's not like that. I just love doing different, things. Okay. In like simultaneously. Like I have been conditioned like that, so it gives me that kick of working. And I don't know my aim in life, might change, but I really wanna get into academics. So I also have a dream of becoming like a professor or something in future. So I'm gonna bagay ang masters kay kata so that I have scope of doing PhD later.
Okay. So
because chẳng ta bốc singing rock pano man ta kaisa ang art hai ke sinau like as an art not just like complete like profit gain kaina ni am hai rogata. I believe that oma ani bai kaisa art sing ke oma na kaisa satisfaction ro work khai. Yeah, so am ni bagay ang kaisa ulo future ro bahai no. I'm not someone that ang ani kaisa aim tong that abo ang happiness manayam hai aim am hayata. I am someone who want to do mane ang khana ayay ang mane kaisa hope tonga nango like I want to do something that I love every day for the rest of my life am haita angke singing rok phanang kam harok panang kha like ang omoto whole life khai thangi maya so ang khai pan man but in art hay but ang mane kota professor teaching line ani belai kan interest tongota so that is something which I love a lot and which I would like to do every day for the rest of my life am haita.
So you mean you want to teach people?
Yeah.
Right. But teaching people or teaching students, how do you think that will help you or nini lifelong or teaching klai thanani to mosongoi tong kan ke bahai ke abo no help klai nai nini lifelong. So
for me kaisa believe khaima ni tani philosophy ta life ni it's like jeng jenis experience khayo we learn ngange mane amra ang bo jaga apply khainai so I felt like ani very best tan kha ang je learn khaima ni rong no ang buino impart khaima nang nai bele ngange mane kono purpose kari ning sirani le tong nang experience daily mani tong he da ba so ang mane ang je ani career decide khai pura am tike decide khai kata that if I get all of these life experiences and if I can impart that to people I think that will be very a meaningful life for me so avani bagay
yeah I will come back to you in just a while but before we get into more things talking let me also want to talk to Adung. What is that one reason you are into movie making or music videos? What is it like exactly?
Actually, I have to go back.
Okay. Okay, I won't go back.
It's in Corona season.
Okay.
Yeah, COVID-19 time. I was not into this music video or movie or this modeling and all. I was just a simple guy.
Okay. You are simple now too.
So like afro Corona song afro like sing ang by any friends of sing game thanglai tongmani. And suddenly I have a call from Sister Biba. Okay, then she said that to come into a shoot. Okay. First of all, I thought it's a photo shoot. Okay. Then I went there, and at that time, Anitama Chaya were going on. Anitama Chaya shoot. So I got a small clip in their music video, and I was so happy, just only for that small clip. And from that time, I built my interest in this music video.
Anitama Chaya is the music video of Diva and Subhajit, is it? Yeah. Right, great. That music also really touched me, you know. And yeah, I remember that was during the Corona season, and I mean during the Corona time, and overall, I had really difficult situation, and even I had to go for the what you call it, quarantine and things like that. I was in a very big depression situation. Overall, this music video gave me an opportunity to actually write their what you call it subtitle in English. So I just remember that, but I'll come back to that later on. But yeah, please go ahead with yours.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, like by Vivan Ani Inglo next support. So even by Parmita, neither they're all supportive. So I'm thinking, like Ani international music video bill keka. And then 2021 no okay modeling ni bangai mane wildcard entry maka Mr. Notice ni bangai. Okay. But
When was it, Ufru?
2021.
2021.
But after Thalia, because I was not mentally and physically prepared. So like even I wanted to go, but I just dropped it. Then I took a preparation and I went this year 2023, and then I got a title Mega Mr. Notice.
What's the title?
Mega Mr. Notice.
Mega Mr. Noticed. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So after that, as soon as I came from Guwahati, I got a call from Sister Lipika, Sister Naira, and by Parmita, that we have one project for you that is for a holy purpose. Yeah.
Okay.
And the title is Ikopali Sarka. Then I was so excited, and that was my first debut, but not in a solo. We were four, me, brother Mithun, and sister Lipika, and sister Mary.
Okay.
So that was my first debut in this Kokborok industry.
Okay.
And now, as my aunt Sarmili, she loves my work and she gave me another offer. We met in one program, and she gave me a hint that just get prepared. I need my kaisa like Tongo.
Project Tong.
Yeah.
Okay.
And but ano kun saya ko bufrong khainai, so like I was just excited because jotono like peace harmony ni to jotono like quality video chada boyo jotono hamjago and jotono itcha bo tong boy khainani mujung man to, and I'm the one getting the opportunity, so like I feel blessed and lucky. So I'm thinking contact kha and lo Simon kha that Hamzang Wading is the heroine.
But you did not fall in love, right?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how it goes on. Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, you got into Mr. What is that? You said?
Mega Mr. Notice.
Mega Mr. Noticed, and you got the title as well, 2023. So, but apart from this modeling, did you complete your graduation recently, or how long was it? Like you have completed your graduation?
I have completed my graduation this year from Holy Cross College.
Okay.
And I have done my BBA.
Okay.
Yeah.
BBA. So you don't want to be into this kind of industry. You want to be, into business management, administration.
Yeah, I'm into business field actually. I love doing business. Maybe I hope I can build something in future. Let's see. Hoping for the best. Yeah.
Right. I will come back to you, but before that, let me also ask Sharmili. It's been quite a long time that this song has been recorded, and like Tung Salama, like we have already spoken last time. Tung Salama also was recorded 2 years before the music video got started and released. So why did it take so long for you? Tamni bagi asak jora kolok nana nang 2 বছর না ওই যে রেকর্ডিং খাই খিগলাই তনি যে তন না ni bagay stars co-stars maya ni bagay nang haike খিগলাই তন না nang model hunt actor actresses nang ni hunt khlaida na singi tong khwawe tama buntoi.
And then the very question khai tong ka, so I will now reply my reason because amo hai ki daily music klai ton my reason obono ang ara samuni bagi perfectly cast mayango sometimes. And I always know requirement tongo eba ang rutu go je ketal jefru kuno music snam jago a time mo ketal face no phaitun newcomer tuiman thonang jeta an public rong no demand nai audience rong no demand na bagai so asui 2 years back or samung snamjak eba teng salaba bom hen khlai mani to aba hakin khlai jaka jesek pojonto like hamjang ma bai adung no maya sak no tongjang ma haiklai kha because adung bai hamjang mane jifru mangkha ang project start khane ne already permission saka and omo haya je ang music record khai je music rogri toni kha ma haikunu ya ang already just demo compose simi khlai toni bo then jefru ang music start khainai a time on ang studio thang katal music ri so abo 2 years pan khiklai toni thun 3 years 5 years pan khiklai ton thun abo taisa jefru snang na katal no hai
right so nung bahai ke ketal concept tu bui phai abon se sang ani audience rong kisa sai khana nam so ta ko te bohu so norok judi no sini hamjang ma tai adung haing tongui tong khang kai tai aba hai ke no tai kubun bini music videos of this samjang hai chalapuri angin tong khang kai norok judi no sak no fit and proper profile nor tui tong kai dui bosor na singdi
ani mokolok laina bagai
2 বছর নাইছিন্দি ননি বাগে মিউজিক ভিডিও রেডিং নাই রসামং রেডিং নাই রেকর্ডিং নাই আবো নিয়াগুলো নরক ফাইয়ে বনে বসকাং বাজাই তং ফাই হেংখাইছে নরক চান্স মানানি নংনি সুযোগ দङबा কপাল কাহামংনি মান আদারওয়াইজ 2 বছরনি সিগাং তো তাওয়ান সুদি তাবো 2 বছর বড় নাইসিংখা হরনি মানখা বনে কাজ মাখা তাবো বড় রিলিজ খাই আবন সে সিগাং মতাই খরনি মানখা borok 2 বছর পরে রিলিজ খাইফিকা আই এম সারপ্রাইজ বাট অব কি নিনি লাক না নিনি অমহাইনো ট্রেন্ড চলিও না বমহাই নং বমহাই আবো
trending to hinmaya but 2023 o ani kaisa rasamung to haino release ka abo hungkan ke on request tong mani abo ani rasamung snamjang bo tong mani ya abo hungkan ke kaisa riang rasamung crucial ani je cinematographer tabung je ani samai cinematographer teng salamani cinematographer bobai sara to samung khai jagya on request by Garnon in production house of Clyde ba so ang to kaisa ani kaisa ongno ka tongo je ang request khai jakai bo hi hinmaya anggang ke to
ano na sitting ka please ang mo star no mo sumle
no toro na so khabla sanne
acha
pedamba sarai daw public
na ang bo co-star ti kisa
makhla ni ta hangge
2 years man is
2 years
hangge crucial request khaiya then abo khlai jaka kaisa char jona khlai then abo ni pore to sini em sir ni kaisa cover song ani channel no release khaiya tamni himba bobo to agi co founder tong mani then abo hanggang ke to ani official ani samai abo no ta ani je ang ni je wan sogoi
am hai ke no nung buno samai ri tong hai ta so ha segang ke to teng salama khai no buini bagai koita jane lama khlai rakha ha abo bonayo ubu bonayo buikhe a teng sama nai se teng ni teng tham snam pai lekha ha but I am surprised that tabok tewsa ani samai roi sabno jani tam jani samai ri pheli no abo sung saimia ko o the music video bom haike sini buskang phaino sini cast doctor sini buskang asukjak naro nugui tongkhana how interesting how charming they are and how beautiful and how gorgeous and how handsome I mean like you know handsome hani bo hani mano so like hamjang mani oh sorry not hamjang mani hamjang mariang okay bono ang tabu sungi nai na mo sungu nini je asa kabang ma the stars nini thanibo je stardom tongo je no ab haikeno offers of sokpayo kabang ma boror no apart from music no video ba cast khana bagai ba acting ni bagai no je offer ri tongo I am not interested in that you may be somebody but today I just wanted to know for my audience sini takok tai bu song nai tong nai ro bor tai bo ni thani expectation tong bor tam one soup are you not planning to get married after your masters
Awale chongi nai jagya ko actually ang tabuk ni hoche to boyfriend rok kari single no gangge ba ang tabuk je plan khale mani rok ke ani parents rok tano sangi yo to tong rok ne hong kari ta
acha kari buku wan so tong ne
tong to no jon so ke believe khaya
taku tai buku so nor khanai tong khana single no khotau phano but sagno prepare khadi before that do not even bother so
abo to lo boyfriend man ke plan khai man bufru kai jak na am ti rok but tabuk je single tong prang plan khai man ke at least 28 rok khana ngana ngai ta ang kai jak na bagai so am ti ni wan chuk tong ta
okay so abo hai ni wan suman to tabu okay that's
amo to sekang ti cha ulphang man abo jeng plan khai
so 28 na na he
tabuk mane hi sai chung ke tong plan khai man am ti no boyfriend man nei bu kharo hap thang ke ba sa bu sia bu ni sekang dang no
my god my dear
hopeless romantic ta asik mane ang anti romantic ya abo ta lengan ang love interest ng yani chakang ke but abo plan khai la ye kok sa la ye khang ke but mas maya ko he do ba
adum
abo kai se fact
do you want to give it a try no okay but yeah
I'm okay in my place.
okay right abo yeah actually Kokborok wants to go je all the industry phaigang kai khoroksa star co-star by relation not tongma bagai no boni the chemistry ro baksa wants to go they are very good at it but it's not that but what makes you different is the chemistry that you put in even if you are not into relationship that's what I like to talk to our audience and our dear viewers. Thank you so much for being here with us. And I still have Adung in front of me, and I don't know if he has one in his mind. But what is your plan? Are you now still looking ahead to making more music videos and then get one beautiful, gorgeous looking girlfriend? What is it like? Or are you single right now? No. Yes?
I leave that to the audience, yeah.
Okay. The audience will definitely want to come and meet you, whatever it is.
Yeah, for sure.
But what if somebody among the audience or among the audience wants to write you a love letter?
Yeah, sure, they can, yeah. they can, yeah.
They can?
Yeah.
Are you ready to accept?
Yes, why not?
All right.
I'll be much happier, yeah.
Okay. Actually, tam hanggang ke tabok music video to not klai peka. What is your expectation? What is your expectation from the audience? Audience only thanyo no bom high expectation tong.
The expectation that I'll have from audience is to show love to SWMAI. Upcoming video obviously. Sini do. So and moreover ang boro like solo duet kai tongo. Pila fruto ang we are in a group. I'm thinking Kokborok. Talk to solo. So there may be some mistake also, but if people like positive comments or okay, ang abono like it's a positive na way mane ang ani tebo try kheneta kam turan bang audience ne bare so abono like saramu so like audience no an samai no support khai di hamsam phuno di and so that tebo opportunity man bang abo asir sarau subda.
What is your dream? Nini tamon dream dong life.
My dream is actually simple, to be honest. Actually for now I'm a loss. I don't have any dream or aim right now, but yeah, it's gonna be simple. Yeah.
Okay, Hamzama, can you tell me what is your dream in life and why do you do that so?
My dream in life actually agi rogo si dreams roknai tongma hai but tabuk kangke I feel like I'm more into doing what I love every day. Like I have mentioned earlier also that I want to do something, you know, which excites me every day. Like tini ang thuga hingke khana phungni bagai ang excitement ang thuna nang nai that I should have that hope, you know. Hingke abun ani dream ang kaisa simple life tongoi thana ni hingke ola ani dream kha seima salire maybe you know khumro kai nature by time spend khai data off khai you know.
So you want to be somewhere away from this busy life?
No, it's not like away. Kaisa balance donga nangota life or like sometimes it's like that. But man ani dream gawon simple ta mane asuk mane busy ang busy ke botona musungu. You know, hingke mane kini mix kai tona musungu ta. So that is my dream. Like ang daily no ang peace ke thang mantung hingke you know ang ani je hard situations phama rong no buhai no ang kaham ke handle khai mantung gani family ro you know kaham kereng tong thung. That is my dream.
Right. And so let me talk to Sharmila again. Why do you have to choose such handsome and beautiful you know stars or casts for your music video? Why is it so important?
That's very interesting question actually. कोबिकोक सना था के मैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं मतलबी हूँ.
अच्छा.
कैसे? Because already वो 2023 ni Mega Mr. Northeast winner. Bini uklo beri orang crazy zengzak. Then hamzang mari yang nato thaisu single boy inspire kata tu preparation nai pene do. Ingkang ke bin makhang bono to bujo to nato jago and bini fan following onek kebang Facebook thun agi to.
Actually, bo Jeffro rasaboi tongo. Been in music, Jeffro bo release klai tongo. I often see you on Facebook, and yeah, you have a good voice. But yeah.
Abono, so bini fan following balai kebang, celarong ni bini fan following kebang bang kubo, beri rawa hamzah kubo. So tam khlai ke abono both mix khai ke gang. Mane yang beri rawa ga adung no hamzah go, celarong gang ke adung no sorry hamzah mono hamzah go. So why not ang abono samungo pnangai bhayeng ba?
Right.
And moreover, not only that, कि borok abon bising handsome beri kaham, abo kaisa samungo tongo, ang sudo naik thok ini bonaya, borok title manjak ini bonaya, bong thane a quality botongo, gitu, ekdam se joto milioi no kaisa like particular.
So in total, you are saying that the whole thing matters, the talents, their attitude towards life. The way they carry themselves, everything together.
Yeah, fan following bo nango. Actually, borok by connect mani bagai hingange nono hamzak tong nai borok nango. Haters to ate jate milte rahenge. Yagra devra jo jagan mani tong nai. Because off field thana ni hingange nung hamzang mong busuk man abo important ya. Hamzang muru nai to non ri no tong nai. Kintu all line of fire means no. Nung haters bom suk ke carry khai obviously ko khane so ang bong no puila project yang na thango anga time no saka je like hamjang mong to banai no fia ba aboni logi je hamja yang nai ba phainai abon ba yeah aboni ba prepare ding di so that like borok easy ke awe mane all amano choose khai mana de head ba borok sometimes omo haibong man bleze joto borok ni bukhao joto borok ni mokolo to hamja gi thane akok boya bui hamza yang mano comment ni mano so abo effect ang tu nang bong no puliao no saja. So I think borok omono tu borok onek mentally prepared no abo no bong no nugui no joto talent joto one sugi nang choose klaika then so that ki like khatan sa production of jebabe video fayo nai thokai am hagi nang this time tunani bagi bong no choose klaika ka nang thang saka 2 years nashing tong ni tar mane ang kya pata te dujon ang han khai mano lo ang nai phan tongi mano dutuk phan tongi mano head ba borok tan logi tong sinai no jemon teng salama phai kya borok an logi tongi tongo ang bong no project dai no then borok tabuk tongo borok to already manai no then tak katal burtuk finai.
That's really nice. Taukre bohu som norok obo haikeno jodi no sak no kabil ni wanso kange sak no norok jodi well trained tai abo haikeno norok sagno groom khai jodi norok one sugi tong norok fit all line on kanke norok sagno prepare khai di kabang ma music videos sini tibra hastebo abo haikeno phunu jagi tong tai phai tong তাহলে বলছো নরন অবন সানামো যে সাকনো সব সময় নরক প্রিপেয়ার খাইদি রেডি খাইতন্দি जेफ्रो जे जराव जे सामुनाङो आफ्रोनो आ सामुनो फानांनाय आ म्यूजिक भिडियोस सनामजागै फाइनाय तै थांनाय tay kabangma tay ba hai keno sini hastewo kereng kereng tay resap kereng musa kereng acting rogo kereng drama tay acting art kind of an acting aba hai rok kabangma norok sakno prepare khlaimano tay sini oro tabuk drama school rok tongo kabangma jagao natok rok khlaijagui tongo aba hai jagaro no participate khlaidi ayang uyang thanglaiawui जों sakno kaham lamatei sakno sanamui tlangkhangkaise sini thinango जों teibo kujuk kotorngi manai tahute bo song nor obono sanamo songo जों mani hamiao kologi tonyawi kefek mani no जों chaiawi ningyawi tongui manani abono se जों machai toklainai te aro godalei kologi tongmani abo se jotoni sei sini chaya ungkungmani aboni bagi जों teibo sekangai thana tongkho sini kabangma model hunt tongo kabangma actor actresses rongni bagi cast rongni bagi kabangma subida tongo jora phai tongo sikla sikli tongnai rok porashunao simi kologi tongyawi co curricular activities rok जों sekangai thangai mankangkai जों pori thanio chayangai mano mosathani chayang mano baksa rasa mongo chai thangmano jemon tabo जों saimano tipra idol rok bo choli tung nor arbo rok nukhana aro rok bo kabangma sin boro rok sekangai phai dong aba haikeno sini government rok bo जोंनो sep sap boroi dong tai individuals jara tongnai rok bo borok bo jani ja lama theke sep sap rwnani tai norokno जोंनो jotono tisai tlangani bagai sini hukumu mukumu rokno bo khawai naraknani sini kokmung kokthai rokno bo khawai naraknani जों joto chaitoklai tongo chikon chikon je mani khwnai rok bai chikon chikon samung rok bai no जों sak sakno tisai tlangai mano ang tei bisi loglia phiaba ani paithak bwkhak ang borni thanio kokthai thaini singui no जों thanglai aboni se sikang जों chikon sa break nawi जों teusi haino hai kifili phaiphinai Teuisa haino hai chikon sa lelamani yagolo nongni buskango ang phaika ang nongni host Milton Deberma belaka hambai nor jotono yakrai nainuk norok naitong tafute buktum phadi ingkai sing tabuk teuisa haino hai sini sunglaimung bukhago sing thanglai phinai ang tabuk sungna musungo sini hamjakmano nung to robo rosabu resap kereng ni bo जों nono sinu tai aba haikeno nang kabangma poetry sok siyo ba kabangma compose khlayu rasamong lukurok nini khorang nobo teuisa haino hai sini buskango kisisa khanana musung boma hai rasamong nini thanio tabu tongui tong wansukja abu tang sia but sini audience rongni bagai tangsa tangni जोंनो रथाबै खोनाखै बेलायखि हाम
ani ang to lyrics sengkang kan ang English rogo chikisa misal sayo but not like showcase ka display ro kaina but just like for personal art hanggang ke amang tabugoro showcase khaigala kha ulo rogo maybe khayana but ang tabuk one of my favorite song Nini Khaniari amar sab shiwana ar ni kisa part
ani Khaniari
kya ra sab mongno sab shiwana lang ma tong shak no ani pai tha puila imang thang no shuri mao shan mao nini ani apiri baksha mui to nar gayo khao thaisha no ani langma nini khani ari wono angle tong namu chungo Nini khani thayono angle tong na shano Asing ko tingin ni bagay
Belaike hambai Belaike nini
Thank you.
Korang bo nung hai no nai to tok tei belaike korang khana to tok nung asaksa korang nai tok ti tongui Razamung ni bekhak nung zora riyang mani Awo tam ni bagai tausu zora
Actually, abo hanggang mainly hanggang ang sana thang ako bo ani education ni bagay no ang always argue ang puila je pro cover video rakha apro bahai no ang onek introverted borok tongmani do angom highlight na pasi phayan tongmani puila wata I was just like I will sing just for art for personally for me am haita angke moreover agi ro to my social media ni Kokborok kare am hai ro hanggang ke bunyo just nugo kereng Indian idol ro borok to train classical singers ro am hai ke ba hanggang to train bung yam hai sai chung sak si train am hai ba hanggang mane ang phailang hum tong mani ta base ang ekdin sal cha hai no ani webcam like ani busata bin webcam ro za bai dikha au chan na meria mani de zamong amase aprang hai no chong te kha release da khai ma sa khamo hai no hai ni ta abase ani basa apro bo upload khai riga abase आज के nervous and kha samoy apro I was like 14 or 15 ta samoy acha na meria de pro ang pura delete khai riga te chado abase bano sao nang bahai ke mane mo asang nang ka ham ke sa bai tongoi nang ta ya ma ke delete khai ni bote sa upload khai review ang kiri su ka apro ya basi apro ko su views ma kha do mo ke tong thok te kha hanggang ke amani pore ko tabuk ani de khate ka dil di angal nam ke apro bang aim khai ko ke 1000 views rok thung ang kisa apro mane naragi chitong do abono because always ang ani mom bana sao ki we should always prioritize education academics first am haita joto tak chini family rogam haike jengno advice ria da baki education academics no sinang mane priority diam hai rok batam ba in hanggang kya bani bagai ang kya so mayo just like time pass hayam haini chongi khai manita abo se apro bhai na pura views ng thanga 1 million views ng thanga 1 month to apro
Wow 1 million
hanggang apro ang pura mane tum hanai shock dang sinai happy dang sinai hain thanga do hanggang apro kintu ang chongi le tong but ang baw ma hai rogo mane full time khai ni hanggang ni pura rok pai si khai nai ni tong hanggang am bang ani gap ng khata mane ang agi ni siming no belai khe no pura rogo focus khayuta hanggang abo ni bagai no apro te moro barani tinta subject ng thanga da ba hanggang abo no handle khaya ni belai khe no apro cost tong thanga corona rok bung kha hanggang mentally pressure ng kha exam rok tam rok hanggang hai ke no ani gap ng thanga ta main hanggang education ni bagai no academics ni bagai no kisa yang digi miss ng khata hanggang tab graduate bung kha hanggang one subject ng thanga hanggang I felt like I can manage this am haita
what is that one thing Adung what is that one thing that describes you perfectly
That's a very difficult question. That one thing that describes me perfectly is trying to be better. I mean,
so you mean like you try really hard to be perfect so that's what you are okay so that means you really give your 100% to whatever you do
yeah that's
right yeah that's very nice but also people would like to know that one stupidest things that you have done in life stupidest things in life
one stupidest thing that I have done in life is let me remember wait
okay you need to recall
yeah
yeah
yes I steal the money from my mom. Maybe that maybe is stupid.
so what's the
Just
amount like
to
What's
buy
the amount?
to buy ice cream. Yeah.
Ice cream? So, okay, ice cream is also my favorite. But Hamzama, what's your favorite?
I like ice cream, but as I'm a singer, so I avoid that thing. Most of the time, I might just take honey instead.
So you love strepsils.
What?
Strepsils.
What is that?
It's
medicine.
yeah, that
It's kind of
Yeah,
big,
maybe.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not like I like, but I have to maintain my voice, so that's why.
So I do maintain my voice, but I don't do that. I still take ice cream. What about you? How do you maintain?
It's a guilty pleasure.
What to maintain? Ang tam maintain kaya?
Your way of choosing cast for you.
Okay. Ang gusto nga ya. So ang ice cream ni ko no problem kaya ni. Ang ice cream sa mano and haba hamza ko, but I hate chocolate flavor and baki jo to hamza ko. Then ani jo to ni favorite ngai to mukhi se hamza ko ang.
That's also my favorite.
Nim jo to ni favorite.
Of course. Like I like sour things so much. I like bitter things as well.
Okay. Ang Tyson dinin kasi question kreda like adong no sung mani. Abang kita sana mo sung habin bagay like bosa mane bono tamo describe klay head or bosa boba.
Right.
Maybe abo boni sai me fano je third person bin bas na so tong sai mana na.
Of course.
Bini kaisa like good quality abo no je like kaisa manai je sa panang kha kaisa incident panang kha tabo ngai thangka like 1 hour sakang panang kha like 5 minutes back panang kha but they go panang kha but bo maybe pogui thango abono like pogui akore phat second next day ko bote ha abono katal kai ko abo bin gasa good quality bo bukhaw to ni glak khai ma tongwang ajata jasa ang shini mane aita mini a quality tong na and tongo maybe ang abo hakin
nang observe khai ga ma
yeah ang observe khai ma ka bin gasa abo mane bono describe khai uta perfectly kaisa mane maybe suja kok bo taminani humble personality kya ba like problem rong na musung ya ka ham ke tong na musung nai boro am haita
Haring kai sing paina ni sikang sini takte bogus on bagai sini audience ni bagai singno nai tong nai rong bagai Sharmili nini bom hai message utong
belake hambai yakrai nainuk no yakrai nainuk je nai tongnai rong ni bagai aba ani public and adung hamjangma ni je fan rong ni bagai aba tabuk chini Milton ni bagai angobono sana thangnai je chini baskango ani SWMAI music video phai tongo 1st Jan 2024 ro angobono hope klainai norok jesek ani khatansa production ni jesek video norok baskango lai thangnai jorao support khaima hai tabuk buang adung bai hamjang mano amsung norok hamjang munu nai ang khaklayo then orok bangma cast and crew botongo borong ni kisa norok acting munu gui mannai borong ni bagai bonorok support khlaidi tai ani bebak cast and crew music director ang thon cinematographer ang thon jotono to sung main like oro interview tu maya fiaba ang jotoni bagai no norok ni thani koinai je jengno jotono no hamjang mungni de tamni hingke norok ni hamjang mung mang khang ke genuine hamjang mung mang khang ke sung bas kangote bonorok ni bagai katal projects tuna ni bagi chai togo bakha bai ke tamning gang ke support bai ang ga khlaina ni bakha thei thang ha da ba so ayang je nai thong nai thowa sok tong nai rong no support khlai di bong ni bagi nang kabang ku kok sajago tamni himba borok of field of katal so hamjamung di hamjamung ri khang ke chung likes comment rong nu khang chung bujui thak nai belai ke hambai yak nai nu je nai tong nai